What if you could enter the evergreen kids learning market with simple worksheets parents and teachers already use? No complex software, no AI, no setup headaches. Just ready-to-print kids' worksheets that help children learn in a fun, familiar way. Parents and educators want learning tools that are simple, printable, and easy to customize. But making worksheets from scratch takes time, and most tools feel unnecessarily complicated. That's why we created KidzPaper. KidzPaper is a 10-in-1 kids worksheet generator toolkit with ready-to-use micro apps for math, words, mazes, tracing, and more, all delivered as plug-and-play HTML tools. Each generator works instantly. No installation, no API. Inside KidzPaper, you get interactive worksheet generators, math practice, word worksheets, mazes, tracing, and sequencing, printable-ready layouts, clean designs optimized for home, classroom, or homeschool use, simple customization, adjust text, difficulty, or content without touching complex code. And because it's PLR, you can rebrand it, package it, and sell it as worksheets, bundles, memberships, or digital products. KidzPaper is built for creators who want simple tools, reliable outputs, and kid-friendly learning materials. And everything comes with PLR rights, so you can rebrand and sell it under your own name. If you want to enter the kids' education market with tools that are simple, practical, and kid-friendly, KidzPaper gives you everything in one toolkit.